of Kanak Info System. Today I am going to show you a new feature which is available in Odoo 18. For example, you have to get a signature in any contract or any order. So you can directly have a new option here. For that, I will go in contact. I will choose an employee here. It is contact. Now I have to create an employee contact for this contract for this. So now I have an action here which is named as request signature. I can directly request signature from here. Request signature. Here I can select number of template. For example, employee contract, as I have to create an employee contract here. So now here we can sign now and also send. So now I will send it by signing it. Here option of sign now is available. So here now I will click here sign, here date, now add a text, address. Now initially here our signature will be there. So I can edit or draw any upload file here as a signature, and I will sign all. And next, as all page has been signed, auto sign all. So now every page is signed. Now here this is done. Now validate and send complete document. Here our contract has been signed. We can verify it and sign and send it to employee also. Now we can download it. When I will go back in contact, so contact note has been sent here. Thank you.